Gojirasaurus, named after the iconic monster Godzilla, Gojirasaurus lived during the late Triassic period and is classified as a theropod dinosaur. This dinosaur is recognized for its large size and formidable appearance, featuring long limbs and a powerful build. The name reflects its cultural significance and highlights the intersection between paleontology and popular media. Gojirasaurus provides important data regarding theropod diversity and morphology during its time. Sichuanosaurus. This dinosaur is also a theropod and is thought to have existed during the late Jurassic period. Sichuanosaurus was characterized by its large size and robust build, with notable features including strong jaws filled with sharp teeth suited for a carnivorous diet. Fossils found in the Sichuan province of China suggest that it may have been an apex predator in its ecosystem. Its significance lies in providing insights into the diversity and geographic distribution of theropods in Asia. Dilophosaurus. This dinosaur lived during the early Jurassic period, approximately 193 million years ago. Dilophosaurus is particularly famous for its distinctive double crest on the top of its head, which some scientists theorize may have been used for display purposes, possibly to attract mates or intimidate rivals. It was a bipedal carnivore with long limbs and sharp teeth, indicating it was well adapted for hunting smaller prey. Notably, Dilophosaurus has gained popular culture recognition due to its portrayal in films like Jurassic Park, where it was depicted with exaggerated features such as spitting venom, though this portrayal lacks scientific basis. Liliensternus. This dinosaur is classified as a theropod and is believed to have lived during the late Triassic period, approximately 210 million years ago. Liliensternus is notable for its elongated body and limbs, suggesting it was a fast runner. The fossil remains indicate it had sharp teeth and claws, indicative of a carnivorous diet. The discovery of Liliensternus contributes to our understanding of early theropods and their evolutionary adaptations. Eustreptospondylus. Eustreptospondylus is a lesser-known theropod from the Middle Jurassic period, primarily discovered in England. This dinosaur is notable for its robust build and possibly large size, estimated at around 20 to 26 feet long. Eustreptospondylus had a distinctive elongated skull with sharp teeth, indicating it was also a carnivore. Its fossils suggest it had strong forelimbs and could have been adapted for both hunting and scavenging. While much about its ecology remains speculative due to limited fossil records, it likely occupied a similar ecological niche as other large predators of its time. Piatnitskosaurus. Piatnitskosaurus is a genus of theropod dinosaur from the early Jurassic period found in Argentina. This dinosaur measures approximately 20 feet long and exhibits features similar to both allosaurs and other carnivorous dinosaurs. Its skull is characterized by a long snout filled with sharp teeth, which suggests it was an active predator. The structure of its limbs indicates it was bipedal, but potentially capable of some degree of quadrupedalism when necessary. Its fossils provide valuable insights into the diversity of predatory dinosaurs in South America during the Jurassic. Fukuiraptor. Fukuiraptor is a relatively recent discovery from the early Cretaceous period in Japan and is significant for being one of the earliest known large predatory dinosaurs in Asia. Estimated at around 16 to 23 feet long, Fukuiraptor possessed elongated limbs and sharp claws indicative of a predator's adaptations. Its fossils suggest it had features similar to both dromaeosaurs and larger theropods like Allosaurus, hinting at a diverse range of predatory strategies during its time. The discovery of Fukuiraptor has enhanced our understanding of theropod diversity in prehistoric ecosystems. Monolophosaurus. Monolophosaurus is another intriguing theropod from the Middle Jurassic period, discovered in China. It is named for its single crest that runs along the top of its head, which may have served similar purposes as those seen in Dilophosaurus, potentially for display or thermoregulation. Monolophosaurus was about 20 feet long and exhibited adaptations suggesting it was an agile predator with sharp claws and teeth suited for catching prey. The unique cranial crest has sparked discussions among paleontologists regarding the evolution of display structures in theropods. Allosaurus. Allosaurus is a genus of large theropod dinosaur that lived during the late Jurassic period, approximately 155 to 145 million years ago. Characterized by its massive skull and a mouth filled with sharp teeth, Allosaurus was a formidable predator. It could reach lengths of up to 28 feet and was built for speed and agility, making it an effective hunter of large herbivores such as Brachiosaurus and Stegosaurus. Fossils indicate that Allosaurus had strong limbs with sharp claws, which likely aided in capturing prey. Indosuchus. Indosuchus is a lesser-known genus of theropod dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period, found primarily in India. It is believed to have been a carnivorous dinosaur, exhibiting features that suggest it was adapted for hunting. Fossil evidence indicates that Indosuchus had a long skull with sharp teeth suitable for grasping and tearing flesh. Although much about its behavior remains speculative due to limited fossil records, it is thought to have preyed on smaller dinosaurs and possibly other contemporary fauna. Synraptor. Synraptor is another genus of theropod dinosaur that lived during the late Jurassic period in what is now China. It was a mid-sized predator, reaching lengths of around 16 to 20 feet. Synraptor had a robust build with powerful hind limbs and sharp claws, indicative of its predatory lifestyle. Its fossils reveal adaptations for both hunting and scavenging, suggesting it may have fed on smaller dinosaurs as well as carrion. The discovery of Synraptor has provided valuable insights into the diversity of carnivorous dinosaurs during its era. Neovenator. Neovenator is a genus of theropod dinosaur from the early Cretaceous period found in the Isle of Wight, England. This dinosaur is notable for being one of the earliest known large-bodied predatory dinosaurs in Europe. It measured about 20 feet in length and possessed long legs, indicating it was likely fast and agile. Neovenator's skeletal structure suggests it was well adapted for hunting various prey types, including smaller dinosaurs and other vertebrates. Afrovenator. Afrovenator is an intriguing theropod dinosaur from the late Jurassic period of Africa. It was approximately 20 feet long and is known for its slender build and long limbs, suggesting it was a fast runner. The skull of Afrovenator featured elongated jaws filled with sharp teeth, indicating it was also a carnivore. Its discovery has provided valuable insights into the diversity of predatory dinosaurs in Africa during the Jurassic period and highlights evolutionary developments distinct to that region. Ceratosaurus. Ceratosaurus was a medium-sized theropod dinosaur that lived during the late Jurassic period. This dinosaur measured approximately 20 feet in length and is notable for its distinctive features, including a prominent nasal horn and a series of bony ridges along its skull. Its teeth were robust and serrated, suitable for a carnivorous diet. Ceratosaurus likely occupied a niche as both a predator and scavenger, preying on smaller dinosaurs while also consuming carrion. The presence of this dinosaur in various fossil sites indicates it had a widespread distribution across North America. Deltadromeus. Deltadromeus was a fast-running theropod dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period found in North Africa. Measuring around 25 feet long, it possessed long legs and a lightweight body structure adapted for speed. Its elongated forelimbs suggest it may have had some degree of grasping ability or dexterity. Deltadromeus likely preyed on smaller dinosaurs or scavenged for food, showcasing adaptations that allowed it to thrive in competitive environments alongside other large predators. Rugops. Rugops is an intriguing theropod from the late Cretaceous period discovered in Africa. It measured about 16 feet long and is recognized for its unique skull structure featuring thickened areas and possible skin textures that hint at a robust integumentary system. Rugops likely had a varied diet that included both active predation and scavenging behavior. Its fossils suggest that it may have been part of an ecosystem with diverse predatory species, contributing to our understanding of predator-prey dynamics during its time. Majungasaurus. Majungasaurus was a medium-sized theropod approximately 20 feet long. It had a distinctive flattened skull with prominent bony structures on top and short arms similar to those of Carnotaurus. Its teeth were adapted for crushing bone, suggesting it may have been a scavenger as well as a predator. Evidence indicates that Majungasaurus might have engaged in cannibalism, as some fossilized remains show bite marks consistent with attacks from members of its own species. Utahraptor. Measuring around 23 feet long, Utahraptor had a large sickle-shaped claw on each foot, which it likely used for slashing prey. Its body was covered in feathers or feather-like structures, indicating it may have had some degree of insulation or display capabilities. Utahraptor's size suggests it could have hunted larger prey than smaller raptors, potentially working cooperatively with others to take down animals much larger than itself. Allosaurus atrox. Allosaurus was a large carnivorous dinosaur that could reach lengths of up to 28 feet. It possessed a large skull with sharp teeth designed for slicing through flesh, and its forelimbs were relatively short but robust, featuring 3 claws. The hind limbs were powerful and adapted for running, suggesting that Allosaurus was an active predator. Fossils have shown evidence of both solitary and pack hunting behavior, indicating a complex social structure. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus is notable for its striking appearance. It had 2 prominent bony crests above its eyes and extremely short forelimbs that could not touch each other. This dinosaur measured about 25 feet long and was built for speed with long legs. Its diet primarily consisted of large herbivores, supported by its sharp teeth designed for tearing flesh. The name Carnotaurus translates to meat-eating bull, reflecting both its carnivorous nature and its horn features. Megaraptor. Megaraptor was an impressive theropod that could grow up to 26 feet long. It possessed elongated arms with large claws that were likely used for grasping or tearing apart prey rather than traditional raptor-style hunting techniques. Its skeletal structure suggests it was agile and capable of quick movements despite its size. Megaraptor's classification has been debated. Initially considered a member of the Dromaeosaurids, more recent studies suggest it may belong to a distinct group of large predatory dinosaurs.